of material, trusses, 50-foot trusses for the equipment shed. Delivered. Alright, day one is complete on the new 50 by 50 equipment shed, 18-foot ceiling. They'll set the trusses and everything tomorrow, and they started today. It's Wednesday, and they should be done Friday, so it's going to be open gable ends for now on the front and back, just to park trailers and equipment and trucks under till they get a bigger enclosed shop. Day one. And then here I went with the permacolumns. So these brackets are steel. They have rebar down into the cement. You'll see while they were out of the ground how long these actually are. But I like keeping the wood out of the ground. The first shop I built was 6x. They're in the ground. The second shop we built, garage, they were in a PVC sleeve in the ground. And this one, they'll never see the ground. 4 2x6s put together to make a laminate beam. So, be a nice size building. Day two, the roof trusses are up. They're supposed to have this done by tomorrow. He said they should be finished with it. Hey, it's Mark, World's Okayest Farmer, and we finished up. I had finished up my machine shed, so I can park some equipment and stuff under roof. We're leaving the open gable ends for now. I'll probably enclose them at some point and put doors on, but for now it's going to be open, and they're gonna come back and put a ceiling in so the birds and stuff don't get up in there, but they're gonna come back and put a white ceiling in. This was 4 days, really 3.5, but they got the poles all set the first day, then the second day header boards, and then set the trusses, and then started knocking out the roof and siding, and then they just came back yesterday, and just closed up the tops of the gable ends and finished up a few things. There's a few things they got to come back and do, but these laminate posts, so they're 2x6s, 4 of them, and they're sitting on that concrete post, which has rebar, and then it has the brackets on it, so they'll be protected. The wood won't ever see any weather. They're going to come back because this is how they had it set up for now, leaving this open, and they're going to come back and wrap this all the way around the back, so on all four corners the post will be completely covered with steel siding. Dimensions 50 by 50, 18-foot ceiling, so if I do get a combine I can park it in here, but I can put a lot of my stuff in here. Yeah, they're just gonna put one piece of header board up there to finish that off. They gotta come back and do a couple things, and they're gonna put a ceiling in. Then back here I'll have to grade this out, won't be a problem. I gotta clean a few things up here. I'll be working on that in a few weeks, but I like it. It's a nice big building. I like the colors we picked. It's just a nice looking building. If you guys have any recommendations, I'm probably gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna do here. I don't know if we're gonna put concrete in here for a while, definitely stone. I'll probably build up the ground some, and then a lot of stone, keep everything out. I like the building a lot. We gotta get gutters put on. But 4 days, they moved right along. And it dwarfs the little carport we had next door that I parked 2 tractors under. It'll give me some extra space for something. Alright, thanks for watching the equipment shed build. Please like and subscribe.